Hello students, welcome all of you in cyber security lab. This lab carries 2 credits and exam marks is 2, internal mark component is 60 and external marks is 40. First we discuss about the vision and mission of the department. Vision of the department is to become Renault Center of Excellence in Computer Science and Engineering and make competent engineers and professionals with high ethical values prepared for lifelong learning. Mission of the department is first one is to impart outcome-based education for emerging technologies in the field of computer science and engineering. Second one is to provide opportunities for interaction between academia and industry. Third one is to provide platform for lifelong learning by accepting the changing technologies. And last fourth one is to develop aptitude of fulfilling social responsibilities. Course outcome of this cyber security lab, there is total 2 course outcomes. First one is the understand the implementation of various techniques and security algorithms, and second one is apply different tools used for secure data transmission and for creating digital signature. Today we will discuss about the implementation of the dictionary attack and the second one is brute force attack. First we discuss what is the dictionary attack. Dictionary attack is a technique for defeating a cipher or authentication mechanism by trying to determine its decryption key, such as words in dictionary or previously used passwords, often from lists obtained from past security breaches. सो बेसिकली डिक्शनरी अटैक में क्या करते हैं कि सेंडर्स कोई भी मैसेज ट्रांसमिट कर रहा है थर्ड पार्टी यूज़र रिसीवर्स को, देन थर्ड पार्टी क्या करती है उस डेटा को एक्सेस करना चाहती है, बट वो क्या है इंक्रिप्टेड डेटा है यूजिंग दी सम कीज बाय द सेंडर. सो क्या करेगा थर्ड पार्टी उसको एक्सेस करने के लिए डिफरेंट पॉसिबल जितने पॉसिबल केसेस हो सकते हैं, प्रीवियसली यूज पासवर्ड और जो मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज होते हैं पासवर्ड, उन सारे पासवर्ड से ट्राई करेगा उसको डिक्रिप्ट करने की. एंड देन व्हेन ही सक्सेस फ्रॉम द डिक्रिप्टिंग, देन इट्स कॉल्ड द डिक्शनरी अटैक. Second one is the brute force attack. The brute force attack is simple enough to understand. It is performed by entering in every possible password that can be accepted by a system until the correct password is entered. ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक में बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जब कोई भी थर्ड पार्टी एक्सेस करना चाह रही है सेम डेटा को, कोई सेंडर से रिसीवर डेटा पर, तो पॉसिबल सपोज 2 लेंथ का पासवर्ड है तो 2 लेंथ के जितने पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस होते हैं उन सारे पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन से ट्राई करेंगे. देन व्हेन ही सक्सेस, then it's called the brute force attack. So basically brute force attack has 3 main logical components. First one is selection of specific location for attack. सबसे फर्स्ट क्या करेगा कि लोकेशन डिसाइड करेगा कि इन बिटवीन पाथ में कहाँ पर उसको अटैक करना है. देन जनरेटिंग की पासवर्ड टू टेस्ट, उसके बाद डिफरेंट पॉसिबल जितने कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकते हैं पासवर्ड से उससे अटैक करेगा. देन थर्ड वन इज द टेस्टिंग पासवर्ड. देन वो फाइनली वो टेस्ट करेगा कौन से पासवर्ड से डिक्रिप्ट हो रहा है डेटा. सो मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ब्रूट फोर्स एंड डिक्शनरी अटैक इज डिक्शनरी अटैक हैज लेस complexity compared to the brute force attack, because in brute force attack we try with all the possible combinations of passwords. Now we discuss about the code of the brute force attack. So first we use the 2 header files, istream and stream. Then creating 2 functions. First one is the check password, which have one parameter password. Then second one is the recurse function. It contains 3 parameters: width, position, and one string, base string. Then declare the 2 global variables. Character string, it contains the 0 to 9 digits and then ABCD up to the Z alphabet. Then one is the global variable string 3. So first we discuss from the main function, because every function starts from the main function. every program is starting the main function. So in main function, first we print output. In output string, enter string no more than 10 characters for demonstration purposes. Means first it shows the that we enter the string which have less than 10 characters. Then cin p enter the string. Then we declare one in parameter max char in integer format. It's 10. Then we apply the loop for integer I equals to 1, I is less than equals to max char and I plus 1. It means it try with all the possible lengths. First it try with the length 1 password, then it try with the length 2 password, then try it with the length 3 password up to the 10. It prints checking password with I. It means first it check for the bit 1 के लिए. Then it calls recurse function I 0 and then string. In recurse function, so initially I equals to 1, so bit equals to 1 होगा, position 0, then string में आगे base string. Then in recurse function we apply the for loop for the I equals to 0 up to the I less than 30. So in character string we have possible 36 characters. If position is less than width minus 1, if position जो है अभी भी width -1 से लेस देन है, तो अपन क्या करेंगे, फिर से रिकर्स फंक्शन को कॉल करेंगे रिकर्स विथ पोजिशन +1 के लिए, देन बेस स्ट्रिंग प्लस कैरेट आई. बिकॉज अगर मेरे पास 1 लेंथ से ज़्यादा की स्ट्रिंग है तो ये फिर से मुझे रिकर्स फंक्शन कॉल करना पड़ेगा फॉर द मैचिंग ऑफ द सेकेंड लेटर. देन इट कॉल द चेक पासवर्ड फंक्शन with the string. In check password function, as a parameter he received string cout trying this password and then print that password. It match with the original password that we entered at initially. If it founds the match, then it print match password, then exit from the function, return to the main function and then return 0 and then exit from the program. So now output, run the program. First we enter the 08 password. So it first check for the length 1 password, not match, then start with matching for the length 2 password. When it match 08, then exit from the program. Now try with the another password. Suppose I entered Z1. So when it match with the Z1, then exit from the program. So it's all about the brute force attack. Try from yourself dictionary attack. If there is any confusion or any, then contact to me as an assignment. Dictionary attack is as an assignment. Thank you guys.